Our next topic of discussion is supply chain management. Please note that entire books are written on the subject, and here we are just scratching the surface. So, let's get started. First, we need a definition of supply chain management. SCM is the integration of the activities that procure materials and services, transform them into intermediate goods and the final product, and then deliver them to the customer. In essence, it encompasses everything from, quote, dirt to dust, from the raw materials to making the product to being disposed of or recycled. The objective is to build a chain of suppliers that not only are inexpensive, but also of high quality. This importance is recognized by many companies today, and they consider supply chain management one of the biggest areas where they can find improvements and save money. It is also important to note that, in reality, a chain is not the best nomenclature. Most of the time, we have a supply network. The book lists 8 items as highly important activities in supply chain management, and indeed, they are quite important. We will explore a few of them in more detail in a few minutes. Perhaps the most important activity that was not listed on the previous slide is the sharing of information along the supply chain. Here we see that information is the thing that ties the 3 basic processes of source, make, and deliver together. We can also think of those 3 processes as procure, produce, and distribute. As supply chains become more of a focus for organizations, trying to improve them also brings risk. For example, if your organization is producing its product in China, then the logistical complexity has increased, bringing with it more globalization risk. As long as you remain aware of the risks, you can seek ways to mitigate them.